Ariana's ponytail versus Kiefer's ponytail. Who wins?
Oh.
Hey guys, it's Yanni here.
And Pablo.
And we're back with another video. Today's video is TNT Boys met Ariana Grande.
They met her?
Yeah.
Like for real?
Yes.
They're the same height for me.
Have you met Ariana Grande?
I-
Apparently, her
I
last name
haven't.
is Grande, not Grande. She called it Grande.
I think she's lying.
Anyway, you guys, this is exciting news. TNT Boys is going viral now. It's going worldwide sensation now.
Wow.
So I'm curious what the reaction is. I also want to know if they sing in this episode or not.
Well, they're better.
I hope they sing to Ariana Grande. Imagine Ariana Grande is hearing them singing. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of videos you would like us to see next. And let's go ahead right into the video.
You may or may not know this. I think you might. I'm hosting a brand new show right here on CBS called The World's Best.
Super.
They are really going big for real because
Yeah.
they're going into this James show.
Very entertaining.
The Late Late Show.
Flown all the way in from the Philippines. Please welcome the cutest boy band on the planet.
They are the
TNT
cutest.
Boys.
Better recognize.
Oh, cute outfit. they
Cute
have.
outfits. They look like triplets.
Look, they all hug.
I remember when I was younger, my parents always dressed us nicely
TNT
too.
Boys, ladies and
Similar.
Look, full denim with a nice cream jacket.
I've missed all of you. I have. How is everything? How was your
Kiefer's my
flight?
favorite. Kiefer.
Okay, it's a 12-hour flight, it's a long flight, and we're so happy to be here.
But you're so used to it now. You jet set all over the globe. It's just wonderful. It's terrific. Now, you are, I gotta say, my favorite new boy band on planet Earth.
Are you serious?
Wow.
Wow, are you serious?
Everybody who's seen you. Here's my question. Every boy band needs a bad boy. Who's the bad boy in the TNT Boys? What do you think?
I think we're not the bad boys, but you are the bad boys. Yes, I think.
But that would mean you'd have to let me in
He's
the band.
so cute. What's his name again?
Yes.
Don't you start this, because I said this before, and I turned up to rehearsals, and none of you were there.
Ah,
Now listen, you blew the doors
I love their
off The
outfit.
World's Best when you were on the show. What's the response been to you guys since the show aired?
They enjoy our performance and they love it.
Everybody
His
loves
voice
it.
really
My
changed.
favourite
Yeah.
His
thing
voice really
about
changed.
meeting
He's
you
very
guys
handsome.
Was when you had just performed on the stage, and there was a commercial break, and I came over, and I came to meet you, Francis, and you went,
Francis.
I came over to shake your hand, and you went, "Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God," and I was like, I thought, oh, I'm huge in the Philippines. I've got all these fans. No, I didn't. I went, you were going, oh my God, and I went, hi, and your first words were, "You've met Ariana Grande."
why? I don't get it.
That's amazing.
I don't get it.
Oh my
Why
God.
him?
I'm right. You adore
I'll tell you.
Ariana Grande, right? You
Tell me now why.
Oh my god.
obsessed with her.
He went to him and he said, "Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god." And he thought that he was doing "oh my god" because he recognized him because he's famous on TV, American television. Instead, he was like, "Oh my god, you're the one that met Ariana Grande."
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
What is it you love about her so much?
I love Ariana Grande's voice and I love her attitude.
Well, look, I got to tell you, sometimes
Highlight, though, that
Grande,
Ariana's
she watches
highlight.
This show. So why don't you say hi to her right now? If she's watching, just say hi, Ariana Grande.
Hi, Ariana Grande!
There you go. She might be at home watching this. We don't know. Now, listen, you're gonna perform here tonight. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh.
What song are you gonna be singing for us?
And I'm telling
Sorry. Otherwise it's gonna keep ringing.
you,
And I am telling you, an all-out classic, ladies and gentlemen.
And
The TNT
I-
Boys, you go and get ready. You go and take your places.
So it's good that they're singing so Ariana Grande can see them too. Ariana's outfits are always just baggy. Right?
Yeah. Oh wow, he's in the part.
You're the best friend I've ever known. There's no way I could ever go. Darling, there's no way.
His voice really changed.
He does change. In a good way.
In a
though.
good way.
Without you, I'm not living without
Get-
you.
What's up with this long hair? It's cute though. I love it. I think Francis still has the highest voice.
Yeah.
Oh, harmony! I love the harmony.
Yeah, they're awesome.
She just came out and ruined their performance. I hate her. I wanted to.
She's so lucky because she doesn't even need pants. She can wear a top and that's it.
That's it.
Wow, that ponytail. I think she got it from a horse.
Yes, Frances. I love their version.
Wow.
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 Oh my god.
And it's such a beautiful performance. Oh my god, it's so funny how they got surprised.
Ariana went on her knee.
It's not that far from the floor anyways.
It's not.
Like really close.
You were coming to make their
Oh my gosh.
Obsessed with you guys. You guys are so incredible. That was so beautiful.
Oh my god, Frances.
Is this a dream? Or
It's not a dream, it's completely real.
Oh, he's so cute.
Ariana Grande.
Ladies and gentlemen, the TNT boys. You can watch the world's best tonight. That's when
Ariana's ponytail versus Kiefer's ponytail. Who wins?
You know, I was thinking Ariana Grande,
Uh-huh.
even if she falls, she's like, nothing.
What do
Because
you
it's
mean?
just a few inches off the floor. She's like, oh, I'm up.
Yeah, she's cute. She's petite.
She's very petite.
But who has the
Oh
best
my
ponytail? Kiefer
I
or
know.
Ariana Grande?
I have to say, Ariana Grande's was a little bit electrified. So it was like
It's all over the place.
electricity. Yeah, it was a bit all over. They were amazing. I can't believe they could have the performance just like that because that's a big shock. I think they did good. They showed a little bit of a hesitation as soon as she came out.
I know.
And then they got it back together. So they did it beautifully.
Like you can tell they didn't belt as much anymore, and
yeah.
I thought she was gonna come out at the end of the song, but she came out in the middle of the song, which was shocking and for them definitely. So
Yeah.
and they
Oh
were caught
my
off
God.
guard, and Francis being as extra as he is, he
Yeah.
was on the floor and he was like, but it was nice, I guess.
Yeah.
But I kind of wish still that they would, you know, let them sing. The
Yeah,
full
but
song.
I wonder if she was late to get on stage because she couldn't even put
No,
on
I don't
pants.
think so.
She was like, "Oh
already
my god!"
backstage.
Boom. She put on a shirt and she's like, "I'm ready."
Wow, okay, Fabio, trying to be funny. Wow, funny, Fabio.
Okay, you bring me down. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment on below, DM me with some pictures, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye, guys.